Have you ever wondered why the moon turns blood red during a total eclipse? Today we delve into this captivating celestial spectacle, a phenomenon that has intrigued humanity for centuries. From ancient times, the blood moon was often viewed with trepidation, its crimson hue linked to foreboding events and considered a bad omen. This cosmic puzzle, however, is not as sinister as it may seem. So, hold on to your telescopes and suspend your superstitions, because, fear not, there's a perfectly scientific explanation for this phenomenon. To understand why the moon turns red, we first need to understand what happens during a lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse is a fascinating celestial event that occurs when the Earth comes between the Sun and the Moon, forming a straight line. This alignment results in the Earth blocking the Sun's light from reaching the Moon directly. But the story doesn't end here. Something extraordinary happens during this cosmic alignment. As the Sun's rays pass through the Earth's atmosphere, they are bent or refracted. The Earth's atmosphere acts like a giant prism, scattering the shorter wavelength light, such as blue and green, out and away from the Earth's shadow. However, the longer wavelength light, the red and orange hues, manage to pass into the Earth's shadow. They are refracted towards the Moon, giving it a reddish or reddish-brown glow. This is what we often refer to as the blood moon. This phenomenon is also known as Rayleigh scattering, named after the British scientist Lord Rayleigh, who first studied it in detail. It's the same process that paints our sky blue during the day and gives us with stunning sunsets in the evening. But when it comes to a lunar eclipse, the spectacle is even more dramatic. The refracted light illuminates the moon with a breathtaking palette of sunset and sunrise colors from all around the Earth's rim. So, in essence, when you're looking at a blood moon, you're seeing all the world's sunrises and sunsets at once. So, let's recap what we've learned. Our lunar companion, the moon, sometimes dons a dramatic red hue during a total lunar eclipse. This spectacle is known as a blood moon. The process begins when the moon, Earth and Sun align perfectly, with Earth in the middle. This alignment causes Earth's shadow to fall on the moon, initiating the eclipse. But why does the moon turn red, you ask? Well, it's all thanks to our atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere bends sunlight, or more specifically, it refracts it. This refraction targets the longer wavelengths of light, the reds and oranges, and directs them onto the moon's surface, bathing it in a crimson glow. And what about the atmospheric conditions? The clarity of the atmosphere and the amount of dust or clouds can affect the intensity of the red hue, making each blood moon unique. Next time you see a blood moon, remember, it's not an ominous sign, but a beautiful reflection of all the world's sunrises and sunsets.